rules. On this station, go to kogo.com/rules.
News Radio 600 Kogo and kogo.com.
Flash flood warning for the following county: San Diego, California. The National Weather Service in San Diego has issued a flash flood warning for northwestern San Diego County in southwestern California until 1:45 p.m. At 11:49 a.m., Doppler radar indicated heavy rain across the warned area. Between 0.5 and 1.25 inches of rain have fallen. The expected rainfall rate is 0.25 to 0.75 inches in 1 hour. Additional rainfall amounts of 0.5 to 1 inch are possible in the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: life-threatening flash flooding. Heavy rain producing flash flooding. Source: Doppler radar. Impact: life-threatening flash flooding of creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Oceanside, Carlsbad, Vista, Encinitas, Delaware March, Fallbrook, Valley Center, Camp Pendleton, Escondido, and San Marcos.
The answer, some people are going to say, what?
The National Weather Service in Hanford has issued for Central Kern County in Central California until 6:30 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. It's 4:32 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. Local law enforcement reported thunderstorms producing heavy rain in urban areas, including Bakersfield. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: law enforcement reported. Impact: flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Bakersfield and Edison. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Be aware of your surroundings and do not drive on flooded roads. Has been issued until 6:30 p.m. Pacific Standard Time for the following county: Kern, California.
Local media there? Nah.